Welcome to Senieer. Hope you are doing well. So today our topic is about how to edit Word in AutoCAD. So this is not the hard one, it's very simple. Just stay with us. So let's go into the video. At first, as always, open the drawing you wanna edit. Then double click on the word you want to edit as showed up in the red rectangle. After you edit the word, click anywhere on the screen, then save the drawing. If you want to modify the word, click the option of your left side on the screen showed up in the red barrier. If you want to modify the word, click on this option. Here you can see some layer and another option you can choose by yourself. Now you show in the screen it's all about the option you can edit the new word in the AutoCAD. You can see single stroke, single double stroke, standard, the height, the measurement. Now click the option and enter the new word. Now you can drag mouse left to right or up to down to drag your position. Now enter the word. After that word, click anywhere to save skin and save the drawing. Thank you. That's all for today. Show you in the next video.